Welcome to the underwater world of Tanzania. Hello, my fellow scientists. My name is Neema, and I am a marine biologist. A fun fact about me is my name means born during good times in Swahili. Today, we are going to explore some of Tanzania's coral reefs. Coral reefs are underwater ecosystems that are made up of little organisms called polyps. Individual polyps attach onto rough and hard surfaces and produce a chemical compound known as calcium carbonate, which allow the polyp to create their skeleton. Groups of polyps gather together and continue to grow as a whole system, known as coral. Over time, these polyps will grow mouths and tentacles for marine algae called zooxanthellae to bind to. Zooxanthellae is a photosynthetic organism that uses sunlight to produce sugars and oxygen. These resources are then provided for the coral to survive. In return, the coral provides shelter for the algae, along with carbon dioxide, allowing for the algae to continue their process of photosynthesis. Isn't that cool? This becomes a mutualistic symbiotic relationship. A mutualistic symbiotic relationship is where organisms help each other out. Coral reefs are home to hundreds of different species of animals and are incredibly important. Not only do they provide food and shelter for marine life, but they are beneficial to humans as well, by providing coastal protection from about 97% of ocean waves, as well as beautiful sights to see. So if you're ready to experience the beautiful underwater world of Tanzania, put on your fins and hop on in. Now that you understand how coral is formed and why it is important in everyday life, let's go explore the wildlife that live around these reefs. As you can see, there are many different kinds of colorful coral here in Tanzania. While they might look like plants, coral are actually sessile animals, which means they stay permanently attached to the ocean floor. If you look slightly over to your left, you can see a hawksbill sea turtle. Hawksbill turtles are critically endangered. A really cool fact about sea turtles in general is that they eat jellyfish. Can you believe that? Sea turtles have adapted to eating jellyfish so their stings do not hurt them. Alright, let's now turn our focus on the more common animals of the reef, the fish. Here in Tanzania, the reefs are decorated with very colorful and bright fish like the parrotfish and the rabbitfish. Just like parrots, parrotfish have very bright patterns across their body and a sharp beak that allow them to eat dead coral. As for rabbitfish, their small rounded mouths resemble the mouths of rabbits, hence their name. Both these animals share the same diet of being herbivores, with rabbitfish eating the algae found on coral as seen right in front of us. Now if we continue swimming, oh my gosh, look! It's a dugong! Wow, you all are super lucky ducks. Dugong sightings are so rare. Make sure you have your underwater cameras ready. This is such an awesome sighting. A fun fact about dugongs is they are often referred to as sea cows, as they munch on seagrass. They also look like manatees, but they have a dolphin-shaped tail instead of a rounded one. Isn't that neat? Wow, we saw some pretty cool animals on our swim around the reef today. We should probably head back up to the surface. My fingers are getting pruny, and I bet yours are too. I really enjoyed taking you on this journey to explore the reefs of Tanzania. I hope you learned some cool facts today, and I still cannot believe a dugong swam right in front of us. What are the chances? Always remember, coral reefs are vital to the success of the ocean and our world as a whole. Rising sea temperatures due to global warming and pollution are causing stress on coral reefs. This puts many marine animals at risk of losing a necessary resource for survival. There are many actions you can take to protect coral reefs. You can participate in beach cleanups or simply practice safe reef, safe snorkeling and diving. How can you practice safe reef snorkeling and diving, you might ask? Well, first things first. You can wear reef-safe sunscreen or replace sunscreen with swim shirts to prevent burning. You can also be conscious of your surroundings in the water and follow the simple rule of look, but do not touch the coral. All these small changes can make a big difference. Coral are animals and they need your love and support too. Well, it was great meeting you. I have to hop back in the water for an experiment now. Thank you so much for coming. Bye!